Hey yo guys, what is up? So today, we have a banger video for you guys. It is such a secret.
And we're the Wolox Nation, and I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe, and we got your boy Trey over here.
Yeah, what's up?
We got your boy Jaden, you know.
So, guys, we have a beautiful surprise, but we're gonna save it. Okay, we're gonna save it till the end. You guys are gonna love it. It's gonna be amazing. Darkness, 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 darkness. Oh yeah. That was kind of weird, but so I think Jaden's gonna take a thick, like, oh, hi Jaden. How are you? How are you? So I think let's just do a couple things while we let's just do a couple things, like, man. So, as you guys know, you guys are like, who are these people? Who the heck are these people? And if you join this channel, probably are really excited. You should be excited because we are gonna film bangers every what, Jaden? What, Friday, Saturday?
Yeah, every Saturday.
Every Saturday. So we're gonna be posting every day or every Saturday. I don't know what the time was, what the time's gonna be. We're gonna post every Saturday, and hopefully you like it. Now, one thing we need to show you. If you see this, you have to slap your calf. So, if you saw that, slap your calf. Okay?
And we're gonna be doing a lot of videos. Like, we plan on going to Washington in the next 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, we are hopefully going to Washington. Give a shout out to my boy Jaden. His Instagram will be, I don't know where it's gonna be, but
my Snapchat.
Oh, his Snapchat. Sorry, he deleted his Instagram. My Instagram will be in the link in the description below. So, like, check right there.
And we plan on doing overnight challenges, like in Walmart and all that.
Yeah.
But this is gonna be our first video, so I think you're gonna like it. So I think we should go outside and get started.
Yeah, guys. Okay.
We should.
I don't think you're ready. You probably know what it is because it's in the description. But there's a card stuff. Okay.
So show them outside real fast and what.
Okay.
See, that's like snow.
That's pretty good snow, guys. So we're gonna head outside.
Let's go.
I need to get my shoes on, and we will see you outside.
Why?
Alright guys, we are outside now, and I don't think you're ready. I do not think you guys are ready, but here they are. They're kind of bad. They're kind of bad, but hopefully.
They were supposed to be snowmen, but the ones we built were awesome.
They were straight bangers.
But our video died and it didn't save, so we're
doing it again. So you're probably wondering, Trey, Jaden, why the heck do you guys have snowmen? Well, we're gonna tell you. We are gonna tackle these snowmen, okay, guys? Like, so full on truck the snowmen.
So
okay?
Trey's gonna go first.
So I'm gonna have Jaden stand behind his snowman.
Yeah.
So
yeah, here's my buddy.
That's his snowman. That's mine right there.
See? Like that.
Okay. Snowman, that's my snowman right there. We are gonna head.
Go. Oh, straight banger, yo. He just took out that. Like, the body's there. Oh, my gosh. It's okay. Oh, no, straight, calm down. Oh, no. He ain't done.
Wait, the camera, Jaden.
It's okay. We're just bullying. We just bullied this snowman. Okay?
I'm not done, Jaden. Film this.
Okay, he's not done. Oh, you're destroyed. Okay, so it's my turn, and I'm gonna be taking dubs. He's gonna be taking L's.
I don't think so, guys. He's gonna choke. Hold on, guys. I gotta fix you. Face. All right. So. All right, go. Bro, going out with both of them. Oh, yo, bro. All right, Jaden. I think that's good. Okay, so. Okay, Jaden, I think you're going a little too hard on them. Wow, guys. Okay, so that was the main part of the video. The video's kind of short, but that's because it is our first one, and we have never, we only barely thought of this YouTube thing when we were watching the Ireland Boys. Now, if you don't know who the Ireland Boys are, just go up to YouTube, click on that search bar, and just type up Ireland Boys, and you got them. Just watch their videos. They post every Friday at 5:05, but because they've said it on their vlogs. Anyway, so we're gonna go inside. It's really cold out here, and we will meet you in there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, which we've told you like 30 times, you're probably like, "Ugh, Trey, Jaden, stop saying please like and subscribe." But really, guys, we need support. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you later. Oh, I'm just kidding. Anyway, guys, so here, let's get real for a moment. Just to let you know, we might not be consistent. We are sorry, but sometimes it won't happen, and I have a snowball in my pocket. Where'd it go? Anyway, we might not be consistent. We will try as hard as we can every Saturday to post, and we really hope you liked it. Again, I'm so sorry. Like and subscribe, and just join the Wolox Nation, fam. Alright.